Hello friends, how are you? My name is Divam and welcome to my YouTube channel Divam's Incredible. Friends, today I am going to tell you about some myths and facts about solar eclipse. Friends, I share very informative videos in my YouTube channel. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and share it to your friends and family members. Let's start the video. Humans have been observing solar eclipses for centuries, leading to a growing understanding of this celestial phenomena. While scientific explanations have replaced many older ideas, some myths persist. Here are some here are a few enduring ones. Myth: total solar eclipses can cause blindness. During totality, the sun's corona emits only faint electromagnetic radiation, posing no risk to vision. However, looking directly at the sun before totality can cause retinal damage. Myth: pregnant women should avoid viewing eclipses. While some fear harmful radiation during eclipses, the corona's light is safe. Neutrinos from the sun pass through Earth continually, posing no risk to health, including fetal development. Myth: eclipses can contaminate food. There is no evidence that eclipses affect food safety. Such beliefs stem from unfounded fears of harmful radiation during these events. Myth: eclipses foreshadow disaster. Confirmation bias leads to linking eclipses with negative events. While historical records may associate eclipses with upheavals, many such connections are coincidental. Myth: total solar eclipses don't occur at north or south poles. Solar eclipses can occur anywhere on Earth. The last total solar eclipse viewed from North Pole was in 2015 and from South Pole in 2003. Myth: the moon turns entirely black during totality. Fact: Earth's shine illuminates the moon's surface, making it visible during totality, surrounded by the sun's corona. Myth: the total solar corona has always been observed during eclipses. Historical accounts often lack detailed description of the corona. The first detailed record dates back to 1715. Myth: eclipses predict significant life changes. Astrological forecasts linking eclipses to life events lack scientific basis and rely on confirmation bias. Myth: solar eclipses signal exceptional celestial events. Fact: eclipses are predictable astronomical phenomena highlighting the universe's regularity. Myth: eclipses near your birthday indicate health issues. Correlations between eclipses and health are coincidental and lack scientific basis. I hope you find the video very informative. Thanks for watching my video. Meet you again in my next video. Until then, bye bye.